Okay, so here is how you know what the minimum lot size is. So I was trying to open up my world trade, but it's acting up. Like when I close this, okay, I think it's now working. So now this is world trade, and the last time I wasn't using 0.01, I think it was 0.1. So now to know the minimum lot size, first of all, you need to know what you are trading. So for example, let's take pen X 1200. To know the minimum lot size, you can use simply right click on it. When you right click on it, click on specification. So on specification, you'll be given a lot of details about this particular index, okay, such as the contract size, the spread, the stop level. But what you're going to look for is called is this one here. It's called minimum volume. So which means that the minimum volume you can actually trade here is 0.1 and the maximum is 15. Okay. So there are people who deposit millions in their accounts, others maybe thousands. Okay. So if you deposit a million or 10 million or a billion, you will still be limited to a lot size of 15. Other index can allow you to use a lot size of 100, others can allow you to use a lot size of 200. Okay. Yeah. So let us check the other one. So let me do this. Let me try to add this one. Say new index. Okay, for some reason it's failing to be added. Let me try checking the first one here, which is gain X 1200. Right click, then specification. So again, I look for minimum volume is also 0.1, maximum 15. So let me check on Deriv. This is World Trade Broker. Let me check the Deriv broker. So for the Deriv broker, let us say this boom 1000. Let me do this. Okay, now this is boom 1000. Right click, specification. Then I go to minimum volume. So for boom 1000 on Deriv, the minimum is saying is 0.2. World trade is 0.1, and here the maximum volume is 80. On world trade, we are given 15, here we're giving 80. Okay, so this is how you know the minimum lot size. So the minimum lot size is not 0.01 for all indices or currency pairs. It's different by broker by broker. So I think this is what I should have mentioned in the earlier parts when I started teaching you guys. Yeah, so I hope this will help